Hi guys, if you guys are new here, my name is Smith Sanke and today I'm going to do some painting experiment on my car. It's like 2 months ago my friend took my car somewhere and while reversing he just hit this. I'll show you how it looks like from the close. So I'm gonna put the tapes. So when I spray, that time the color will stay over here only. I don't want to mess up the other things. So that's the reason I'm putting that masking tape. I don't know how it looks like, but I see a little bit bubbly right now. Yeah, not on the top, in the bottom, maybe because of the lace color. Oh, great. Now it's look great. I hope when it's dry, they told us like after like spray paint days, wait for a 15 minutes to dry up the paint. So let's see, I'm gonna wait more than that. I don't wanna mess up the edges if it's dry, and if I pull out the tape, it's gonna look very bad. So I just cover this part and I have some scratches over there too. I'm gonna do that all the stuffs with this pen once it dried out. So hopefully, I hope it will goes well and looks great after this. We'll find out later. I think it looks great now. Let me take the tape out and we will find it out. It matches or not? Oh man. Wow. Wow. So really looks amazing. You know, if I go close, I can see little bit marks over there, but from here, if I go like little bit back, I can't tell anything. It looks perfect. Now I have some scratch marks over here. Okay, I think like here. All the scratch marks are gone now with the pen. By the way, if you watch this video till here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. See you.